Apparently there was an iron house in your reservoir. Did you track him?
See that there is a small water here and there is a small pond. It's here next to this, right?
20 on the left-hand side of the road.
Supervisor or nigger, do you recognize it?
Oh, I don't know him either.
I'll climb up and have a look. I'll call you later if I can't find it, okay? Hello everyone, I'm Ziwe. I have a friend here who cuts pine oil. When cutting pine oil on this mountain, I was covered by the tiger-headed bee twice. He said, there is a pine tree without pine bags, isn't it?
Yes, then let's go investigate.
Let's look at the grass head to see if the wind has fallen in, and we can also see it.
All these books come with work bags.
It should be up there, come on.
Go see Australia and come to Milan.
You see, this is CNPC. When cutting this scallion oil and cutting this pine oil, it is covered. This paragraph is that there is a father. This one is not hung.
Is it this?
This doesn't seem to be the right tree. It looks withered.
It's all to show you again.
It's all up here. This one is also weird.
See it.
That tree isn't hanging, huh?
Yes, it's possibly beneath that tree. I'll check thoroughly later. Stay cautious.
What were you doing? You have a shadow.
I feel slightly uneasy.
Let's move closer. Let's examine if there's anything noticeable here.
Drag the landscape for a better vantage.
There's a wind coming in. There's a wind that should be blacktail. Be careful and slow down. There is soil. Sometimes I see it, but here are 2 sticks placed here. Start having fun.
Oh, I see.
See the push. See, wow, such a big pile of dirt. What kind of white stick is that white? What do you think of it?
When it hurts, I see the pain by.
What kind of white gloves are they?
He blocked it with gloves. I guess he covered it. He blocked it with gloves.
Get a stick, huh? I'll take this stick off and have a look. He should out because this side passes by me. He still holds this glove, so he plugs the hole. When it comes to life, it's really a human being.
Cover it and run away.
Take a look. Wow, there are 4 winds at the door. 5 winds, 4 or 5 winds. You can't see it or not.
Wind of 4 or 5.
Once again, it's out. Little friends are a big group of blacktails. Now let's just carry the table and dish it. Okay. Dear children, you must pay attention to safety if you go up the mountain to work or outdoors. You must see this similar world. To observe properly, feel chill sitting. Found it. At that moment, did you cut the tree that you didn't cut twice? Yes. Then you can't get the heat when you cut there. Okay, I'll live clean, but after I finish digging, can't you come for 2 days? What if there is a 3-5 wind outside? And what if it doesn't come back and hasn't been dealt with? It will be fine in 3 or 5 days. It's not even mid-July. It's really good for highway to develop into this situation. Did we have an indissoluble bond with highway this year? And the black-tailed mirror covers people, isn't it? Even Bosnia and Herzegovina kept people hidden, right? Children won't stay reserved with wind jackets anymore. Are you set?
I'm ready.
This pushkin over there.
I want to see it.
Come on, take a look. You can't.
Such a big lump.
There is a traffic jam. I blocked it. It suddenly looks like a tent. Questions do arise from this. It doesn't seem functional. Let's just set the above what's up what.
Strike him directly.
Got it.
Oh, you can just smoke a set. Okay. Damn it really is. Oh. Guess how many pounds there are and how many cakes there are. Hey, it's the left. Hey, Cortana. Is it so easy? I'm stocked up now. How is it this straightforward? 2 hoes did the trick unbelievably. Oh, yes. Isn't this possible?
It's already quite okay.
It's fairly decent. Unsettling but manageable. Break it open, that will fix it.
Explosion.
Oh, kids. Alright. Oh, leave that spot. Oops, a piece fell off. Look at this branch below. Dropped a tiny fragment. Not under it. It's okay. One mandu is okay. A bit of a flower cake. In history, it was the easiest time to dig the wind, and you didn't have to climb a mountain. And after that, 2 bamboo heads are done, isn't it? Because this is a specific area. If you look at this tree, you won't dare to cut its pine oil. There is no pine oil bag hanging under it just because that child feared getting caught. I need to clear this up right away. Is that acceptable?
Okay, let's put the lights on the side, right?
I collected every wind outside.
Let me just pick it up and proceed. Don't come out. Yourself. Otherwise, this temperature is too hot. Well, it's a little too hot to bear without turning on the fan. Then you take this wind nest out, and then I'll clean it all up here and come out. Okay. Head outward and ensure garments are unfastened and inspected thoroughly before removal. Maintain safety guidelines, all right? Descending first, going down.
You should be careful yourself, huh?
Okay. Easily done. Come here, man.
Was it inspected?
There are companies. No. Take that off. None of the Mayu plants are left. After such an extended duration, shoot it initially.
Shoot it clean, huh?
Ensure precise maintenance.
Yes, otherwise they would come over to deliver oil and step on it. It's sour. When getting the injection, the air volume is okay. Not too little. If it is a place where labor is produced, it must be cleaned up, right? It's okay too. 8 plus 1 can have 2 bottles.